Yo, what's up? Here's extremely versatile 303 techno bassline instrument, acid house. Let's first check a sound demo. I'm gonna just use my push 3 for this. You don't have to use any controller, and then we'll go and open up the device and see what it's made of. But if you want, you can just jump right ahead and download it. Let's check it out. Okay, you can use it with any controller. I use my push. You can even use your mouse. You don't have to use any controller. Let's check it out. Let's open this up. First of all, the main thing about this rack that is optional, and you can download this for free separately, is this Sting by Iftar. Iftar is an amazing musician and developer based in Germany. And he also developed a new pack for Ableton Live 12 called Performance Pack. I'll do a whole video on that. Super exciting stuff. So he made this acid bassline generator that essentially creates the notes for you. I mapped this smiley to this generate knob. You just turn it up and it creates a new pattern. Let's bring back the kick. You can play with the accent notes, the difference between them. The root note, the density, how many actual notes going to be in this length of a sequence. There's different types of sequences, swing, you can add some swing. Amazing stuff. Optional, because the main thing here is the instrument, but this is great, it's amazing. You can even click clip. And then if I go to the session view, I will have this clip right here with the actual bassline, so I can turn off the Sting. So, and I have it as a clip. Amazing stuff. So that's there, and you can just keep turning up generate until you find something you like. Nice. Let's open up the instruments here. This is essentially the 303 sound itself is from the bass instrument. This is a free instrument with a pack called Creative Extensions. If you have Suite, you just download it from the packs. Just go down, available packs, find it. And if you already have it installed, it will show up under instruments as bass, but that is the instrument I used for the 303 itself. We have the cutoff, resonance, and filter envelope are mapped here, which are the main controls. And we also have the main release here. And if you notice, we're using a bandpass filter here. So it gives us a lot of variations. Nice. We have another layer for the sub. This is a wavetable synthesizer, the built-in one. Just a saw wave with some FM and a sub layer. We have some drive, analog drive, and everything's going to an overdrive effect. The reverb is just there to, if you want it. Damn, that's cool. Okay, wow. So that's the space itself, and then we have another saturator boosting even more, and this is just sidechain, optional, just not gonna come with the rack. Nice. This instrument is free. Just go to the link in the description. Hope you enjoy. I'll catch you next time.